What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to be using another mousse. So I'm trying to get through all the mousses that I have picked up, just to, you know, move on basically from mousses, so you know how I feel about pretty much all the ones that I have on hand. So this mousse is by Cake. I think it's Cake Beauty. It looks like this. It's called the Curl Whip. It's a totally to die for whipped curl mousse. It says big curl boosting, deep frizz, defining hold, no sticky, no crunch. That's how it's worded on here. So there you go. If you remember back in the day, I picked this up based on a recommendation from another YouTuber, Maia B. I will link her channel down below. She hasn't done any new videos in a while, but I'm still going to go ahead and link her channel because she still has some videos on her channel that may be relevant to you. So I'm going to link her down below anyway. And I believe she's on Instagram as well, Maia B. So she tried out the Cake Beauty Curl Whip. She really liked it. She used it alone with no leave-in, so that's what I'm going to do today as well. She did, however, use it on damp to dry hair, and of course my hair, well, I've been sitting here a while, so it is going more to the wet to damp basically. It's not soaking wet. It's not dripping. I mean, you see a little bit here that's just kind of rolling down, but it's not dripping on the ends. So it is damper than I prefer when I'm applying stylers to my hair, but I'm going to go ahead and do it because I don't want it to really get any drier. I feel like my hair works better on, my styles work better on wet hair or my stylers, but we're going to see. So it says to shake it up. It says shake well and dispense into hands, rake through the hair from roots to ends, air dry or blow dry with a diffuser. I'm going to try to sit under my dryer for it a little bit, and then if it doesn't get dry, I may let it air dry the rest of the way because I am on a schedule today and I'm actually running behind. So that's why I'm talking fast, guys. Sorry. It says for super curl power and control, this curl boosting mousse shapes your curls with a burst of volume and invisible hold. Powered by natural ingredients, your curls will be soft to the touch, yet big and bold, with the ultimate day to night frizz and humidity protection with zero crunch. Okay, so it says go a wee bit wild and give your curls a beauty boost without the harsh chemicals. So that's what it says. So I've shaken it. Ooh. It's different. It comes out different. Uh-oh, look. Look at that. That feels, ooh, that's weak. Ooh, I used too much. Ooh, you only need a little bit, I think. I wasn't sure. I thought this was going to feel like regular mousse. This feels like it has bounce back to it. It feels like a marshmallow. You know how a marshmallow, you squeeze it and it bounces back? That's what it feels like. Okay. It has no slip. At all. I don't know how much to use. I don't know if that was enough, too much, or what. Get a little bit more. It's hard to control how much comes out by the type of nozzle it is. And I don't care for the application because it feels like there's no slip and it feels like it's actually tangling my hair. I don't know if that's the hold, just getting onto my hair and just locking in so then it doesn't want me to rake through. But it says to rake through your hair, so that's odd. Okay. Now it don't look like the rest wants to come out. Oh, this is not good. Man. got somewhere to go too. How am I gonna salvage this? I hear stuff in there. Oh, there we go. Jeez. Okay, I'm not having a good experience so far with this, and I feel like I want to wet my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get through it. Okay guys, you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do this, and I'll be back.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind.
Okay guys, I'm back. Have not fluffed, straight from under the dryer. This is what my hair looks like. My hair, I've been on only under 15-20 minutes, and my hair is pretty much dry. I do feel this, like, hanging right here is a little bit damp, and this hanging right here is a little bit damp. Everything else is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and let that continue to air dry because I have to get out of here, and what that is going to do is help me to see how it really holds up out in the humidity and everything. So I'm gonna go take cotton where I need to get him and come back, and then I'll finish up the video and give you my thoughts and let you see my hair at that time, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back. Threw on something, took care of my errands, and I'm back. So still have not stretched my hair, and I don't think that I'm going to. I'm just gonna let it do its thing and see how big it gets on its own, okay? So what I will say is that it did seem to hold up. It don't look much different than it did before I left. So it did hold up to the heat and humidity out there, and it is very hot and humid today. All I have on my face is sunscreen, and that's it because I rushed out the house, right? Do have on a little bit of mascara and something on my lips just because my lips were dry, but I don't have anything on my face. So excuse me, but I did want to get back on real quick. It's getting toward the end of the day, and I wanted to talk about this. So I do feel like that it did define my hair. So this curl whip did define my hair. I can feel a little bit of hold on the ends, but this curl whip for me right now initially has a very spongy feeling. I don't know if you've ever used a gel or a mousse or something that gave you like a spongy feel to your hair. That is how my hair feels. So I definitely can feel that there is something on it, giving it a little bit of hold, but it's not crunchy, of course, because it's a mousse, but it doesn't feel as soft as some of my other mousses made my hair feel, if you know what I'm saying. Right now I don't see any flaking, but I'm going to hold off on that to see how it does in the next few days. But I don't see any dusting or anything like that. My hair looks healthy. It does look like it has a little bit of shine to it, like on the ends. Some of my frizzier parts don't look as shiny, but it does look, when the light hits it, it does look like there is some shine on my hair. So that's good. All in all, I don't think it's bad. I actually think that it worked better than I thought it was going to work. I don't feel like these curls are going to go anywhere anytime soon, but I don't know. We'll see. I want to sleep on it and everything like that, and I'll try to come back on day 3 to let you know my thoughts. But until then, I will say that the application is not the best. It does feel very sticky. Even after I applied it to my hair, my hands were sticky. So it does have something in it that is sticky. And I was trying to see what the holding agent is, and I think it's this copolymer that is like the 1, 2, 3rd ingredient, but I'm not sure. I need to look at some more of these ingredients. I just can't tell by the names of these ingredients what is giving it the hold. But it is sticky. It doesn't have any slip at all. It's hard, in my opinion, to kind of rake through, like I said, to rake through your hair. To me, it was kind of hard to rake through my hair, and that could be because my hair was more damp than wet. It also could be because I didn't use a leave-in. I'd be interested to know how this would work if I had a leave-in on it, and how much better it would apply with a leave-in. However, it didn't say to use a leave-in. It just said shake well and dispense it to hands, rake through hair, air dry, or diffuse. So that's letting me know that they're expecting your hair to be wet if you're air drying or diffusing. So it's saying to apply to wet hair. It doesn't really say wet, damp, or whatever. It just says air dry. So I think you kind of maybe have to try it different ways to see what's going to work best for you. Like I said, Maia B said she did it on damp to dry hair. That's the way she liked it most. I did it on damp hair, and I didn't quite like the application, especially without a leave-in, so I'd like to see what it would be like doing it on wet hair. The problem is that because of this packaging, you can't really tell how much mousse you have in here. So I don't know how many uses I would get out of this. This is 8.4 ounces, so we're going to see. And I definitely didn't care for the texture. The texture was like a marshmallowy texture, which was quite odd. But all in all, the look came out okay. So I don't remember what this cost. I will put the cost on the screen or in the description box, but I am going to wait until I come back and show you my hair later, or at least wear it a few days, and I'll put a blurb or something. But in some way, shape, or fashion, I'm going to let you know how I feel about this mousse later down the line, and how it held up and things of that sort, and whether I would purchase it again. So okay guys, popping in to show you 3rd day hair. So it is morning. I got up and just took my bonnet off and fluffed my hair. So basically every night I just put on my big bonnet. Remember, I've shown you guys this Humble Glow bonnet before, satin lined, and it's big and it can fit all my hair. So I just put this on my hair and I slept. Got up and basically just pulled at my hair. So that is what this is. And I just ran out real quick to drop off my husband's car, and now I'm back. But I did want to get on real quick and show you how it looks on 3rd day. Not much different than 2nd day hair, or even 1st day hair for that matter. So the curls have lasted. I still have a lot of coils on the ends, some frizzes there. I will say it looks more dull today than it did yesterday and the 1st day. So as the days go on, yesterday was looking a little duller, and then today is looking a little dull. But other than that, it has held up quite nicely. Yesterday it felt a little bit drier. Today I went out and it's a little humid today, so the moisture kind of got to it, so it doesn't feel as dry today. It actually feels like I could go a whole day today without having to re-moisturize it. The cast has broken, so my hair still feels a little spongy, but it definitely feels like hair. There's no crunch to it whatsoever, okay? So what I will say about this, and I'm going to say it quickly because my battery is running out, is I don't think it's a bad mousse. I actually think it's a pretty good mousse to give you the hold that you want. If you like big hair, if you don't mind a little bit of a sponginess to it, for, you know, did my hair like that, if you don't mind the application, I think that you would like it. What I don't like is the packaging, because you can't really see how much you have left. I know I have some in here. Sorry guys, I didn't quite get through this without the battery going out. But anyway, I can't see through this, but I can hear it and I can feel it. So I know I still have some in here. I just don't know how much. So I will be using it again for a twist out, let you know how I feel about it for a twist out. But right now I must say that I don't think it's bad. Would I repurchase this over some of my other mousses? Probably not, because I like the application of the other ones better. Now this one did dry really quickly, in my opinion. I mean, I got dry in like 20 minutes. The other ones took at least 30 minutes to dry, but my hair usually dries pretty good with the mousses anyway. I feel like the other ones give me just a tad bit more moisture using them alone without a leave-in than this one did. And I like some of the products from the other lines as well, especially Aunt Jackie. So I would pick up multiple things from that line. I haven't tried anything else from Cake. So with that being said, I probably wouldn't go and just pick this up. I still don't feel like I have any flaking. I haven't seen anything on my shirt or anything like that. So with that being said, I think it's good. I think it's worth a try, guys. I think it's worth a try. So like I said, Maya told me about this. Thank you, Maya, for Maya B, actually, for recommending this. And she really liked it. She said that she's, you know, basically been using this over and over and over again. So yeah, just wanted to bring it to you and let you know how I feel about it. And yeah, guys, let's show you my third day here. Like I said, I haven't stretched it or anything in this morning. What I will say is I am going to go ahead and wash it today, because it does feel well, like I said, it really don't feel all that dry today since I've been out in the humidity. But I'm going to wash it anyway, just because I need to do some more content, and it's just looking a little bit dull to me. So I just want to refresh my hair. But yeah, guys, that is it for third day hair. Now back to the video. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about this wash and go. Let me know if you've ever tried this mousse. If you have, what you used it with. Did you use it alone or with a leave-in? Jot all that in the comment section below so we can learn from you. Let me know if you're going to pick it up after looking at my hair. And yeah, guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.